In a massive blow to the WHO's funding, the United States, WHO's biggest donor, has warned that it may never restore funding to the United Nations body. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has in fact said that a fundamental reform of the WHO was needed following its handling of the coronavirus pandemic. In an interview to an American news channel, the Fox News channel, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that the shortcomings of the world body needed to be urgently fixed with some drastic reforms. Now, when asked if he was not ruling out a change in leadership of the WHO, Pompeo said that, in fact, the U.S. would not even risk funding the world body with the taxpayers' dollars. The U.S. has been the biggest overall donor to the WHO, contributing $400 million in 2019. That's roughly 15% of its entire budget. Now, according to reports, Washington could redirect these funds to other aid groups. The decision has not gone down well with U.S. House of Representatives Democrats. They have accused the Trump administration of trying to scapegoat the World Health Organization, urging an immediate restoration of funding. On Wednesday, the U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo also accused the World Health Organization of China bias and said that it clearly failed to act against the pandemic. Meanwhile, China denied U.S.'s claims that COVID-19 may have originated in a virology lab in Wuhan, where the first case was reported. China has accused the U.S. of trying to make it a scapegoat as it struggles to cope with the pandemic. The WHO, too, has denied the Trump administration's charges.
Israeli courts have the legal conclusions relating to individual citizens.
Oxford University has started its human trials for a potential COVID-19 vaccine. 2 volunteers became the first people in the world to get the potential vaccine. While one of them was given the new vaccine, the other was given a control, which will not prevent the virus.
Okay, so I need a scratch.
Well, I'm a scientist, so of course I want to try and support science, the scientific process, whenever I can. And since I don't study viruses, I felt a bit useless these days, so I felt like this is a very easy way for me to support the cause. Yeah, that's why I'm here, and I'm excited.
The Oxford University project is a collaboration between the university's Jenner Institute and Oxford Vaccine Group. The research group has chosen healthy adults between the ages of 18 and 55 as their subject group. They had started research on a vaccine against COVID-19 as early as in February. UK Health Secretary Matt Hancock has announced a £20 million grant for the project at Oxford University. In this time of crisis, the UK is trying to help by trying to lead the global search for a vaccine. Scientists at Oxford are hoping to have a vaccine ready by September. It was reported that they are 80% confident of the vaccine's success.
Well, personally, I have a high degree of confidence about this vaccine because it's technology that I've used before. Of course, we have to test it. Of course, we have to get the data from humans. We've used the technology to make lots of different vaccines, though, and we've done quite a number of what we call challenge studies using animals.
Oxford scientists have even said that large-scale production capacity was being put into place to make millions of doses. The production of the vaccine will begin even before the trials show whether it is effective.